Aam Aadmi Party is going to be announcing its chief ministerial face for Punjab polls in just about a short while from now. Aam Aadmi Party Supremo and Delhi Chief Minister Kejriwal is going to be making this announcement. This is coming after the Aam Aadmi Party did a telephonic survey on who should be the party face for the upcoming Punjab polls. The Aam Aadmi Party said it received over 19 lakh responses on the phone number released by the party. Aam Aadmi Party National Convener Arvind Kejriwal asked the people on Thursday to pick who should be the party's chief ministerial face in the Punjab Assembly polls. He has also added that his own preference for the post is Aam Aadmi Party MP Bhagwant Mann, who he described as his younger brother.
ये तो लगभग तय हो चुका कि आम आदमी पार्टी की सरकार बनेगी, तो आम आदमी पार्टी का जो भी सीएम चेहरा होगा वो पंजाब का अगला सीएम होगा। भगवंत मान जी हमारे बहुत प्यारे हैं, मेरा छोटा भाई है, आम आदमी पार्टी के सबसे बड़े नेता हैं। हम भी अपने कमरे में बैठ के मैं तो कह रहा था कि भगवंत मान को बना देते हैं।
This is reporting from Mohali, and Preeti Chaudhary also joins me in the studio with a better perspective on this story. But first, let's get a ground report from Kamaljeet. Kamaljeet, when would we know who is the final name? When is it going to be revealed by the Aam Aadmi Party?
Chaiti, the countdown has really begun, and this is what the poster says, Aapka CM. But yes, this is going to be no surprise. If we kind of try and show you Aapka CM, and a new poster has just been put up, a banner right here, Bhagwant Mann here on one side, Arvind Kejriwal, the Delhi Chief Minister, on the other side. So it seems the cat is out of the bag. Clearly, Bhagwant Mann is the most prominent face as far as Aam Aadmi Party is concerned. Many said Harpal
So
Cheema,
are the survey results out? Are the survey results out, Kamaljeet?
Both outside. If you can hear me, we'll just try and show you. These are the scenes being witnessed and the inside of it all. This is how things are looking like inside, and the Chief Minister of Delhi expected to come and address a presser, but it's kind of loud out here, so we'll go once again outside and we'll try and show you how things are. This is the arrangement being put here, and clearly it seems the announcement informally has already been made.
All right, informally the announcement has been made, and Preeti Chaudhary now joins us in the studio with a better perspective on this story. Preeti, tell us a little about Bhagwant Mann and the relationship he shares with Arvind Kejriwal. Sources are revealing that this name is going to be out any moment soon as the Chief Minister face from the Aam Aadmi Party.
Well, you know, Chaiti, you're right. And I would think Kamaljeet Sandhu, who's joining us right now from Mohali, where this announcement is going to be made, is, in all probabilities, it is that we'd be very surprised if Bhagwant Mann is not made the chief ministerial face. To give our viewers a little perspective, Chaiti. Now, Bhagwant Mann is a sitting MP from Sangrur district. Now, in both waves of, you know, which one would call a Modi wave in 2014 and then in 2019, he's one of the very few MPs who were able to retain his constituency. Right. So in that aspect, he is the strongest leader, the biggest face that the Aam Aadmi Party has, where Punjab comes into play. But Bhagwant Mann, you know, there had been a little bit of hedging where the Aam Aadmi Party is concerned on actually announcing his name. You know, there are multiple reasons for that. At one point of time, the Aam Aadmi Party, whether it admits it or not, was flirting with Sidhu. Sidhu's also said it in many times, you know, wanting him in the party fold. You know, now Sidhu, of course, is with the Congress, and this has been happening over time. On the other hand, the word is, when things fell out in terms of talks fell out with, you know, the farmers wing and, you know, the party that they've created in Punjab. Once things didn't work out there, because the Aam Aadmi Party was hoping to get, you know, the farmer faction, which has gone political now, into and form their own party, into its fold. Once, you know, the talks fell out there with Rajewal, and clearly nothing was going to go down on that front. Then it was clear that your next big face, which is uncontended, is Bhagwant Mann. One of the main reasons also is that the Aam Aadmi Party wanted to push this announcement till as late as possible. But, they've said it earlier that it was And Bhagwant Mann is the best bet, at least, that the Aam Aadmi Party has in terms of a face. He stood, through the two Modi waves. He's held his constituency. He has a strong voter base. And if not Bhagwant, then who? Is also a big question. So in all probabilities, it does seem that the Aam Aadmi Party is going to go with Bhagwant Mann.
And in your years of reportage, and you understand politics best from all of us, do you feel that, since you say if not Bhagwant, then who? He's the strongest, perhaps, contender in the fray for the Aam Aadmi Party, and there could be nobody bigger?
Well, Arvind Kejriwal is always bigger. If you actually look at the kind of, the campaign of the Aam Aadmi Party till now, I have a feeling that right after this press conference, if Bhagwant Mann is announced, there's going to be a tweaking of that campaign and you'll suddenly see Bhagwant Mann. But till now, the Aam Aadmi Party is fighting this election in the name of Arvind Kejriwal.
Yeah.
It's very clear. And is there a bigger face? Of course, there is Arvind Kejriwal. And
but he can't be the chief minister.
Well, the deal is there's at one point of time, he cannot be the chief minister, but at one point of time, it was deeply, being contemplated inside the Aam Aadmi Party as well, because Punjab's a full state.
Yeah.
The constant grievance that Aam Aadmi Party and Arvind Kejriwal has had with Delhi is there's no full state status.
Yes.
Punjab comes with all the bells and whistles of a full state. To govern a full state, I'm sure Arvind Kejriwal would be tempted, but, Punjab as, the alchemy of Punjab is very, very different from any other state. They would have needed a local face, somebody who's come from Punjab. And I would think, I'd be very, very surprised if it is not Bhagwant Mann today.
And if you had to list out, of course, we know the strengths, you've elucidated those, in terms of weaknesses or impediments as far as Bhagwant Mann is concerned.
The fact is, I feel that his name being announced so late in the day, and also going through the people's route. Aam Aadmi Party loves doing this. Let's just go through the history of, the political history of Aam Aadmi Party. It stands testimony to going back to the people. Let's go back, even when they came to power, they kept asking people, Aapko, Arvind Kejriwal ko CM banna chahiye, aapki sarkar kaisi honi chahiye. They keep going back to the people. So it's an Aam Aadmi Party model. It's never happened before in the history of any election that a political party, before announcing the CM face name, has gone to the people and asked them. Now, it couldn't be seen in another light as well, Chaiti, which is that didn't the party have enough confidence on Bhagwant Mann to actually pitch him as the chief ministerial face and put their money behind it and say that, okay, this is the face that we want. We have full confidence in Bhagwant Mann. There was word also earlier that he was a little miffed because the Aam Aadmi Party was hunting for a CM face, so he was not their first choice. How will it all percolate, go down? In terms of the messaging in Punjab, should they have not done it right in the beginning? Because we all know that the Aam Aadmi Party was flirting with Sidhu, and it's quite clear on what post he would have been offered.
So, well, clearly for the Aam Aadmi Party, he augurs very well. But vis-a-vis the other contenders in the fray, and let's just see who the other chief ministerial probables are from the other party. You've got Congress, and we're hearing that it's going to be Channi. As far as Congress is concerned, it's not going to be Navjot Singh Sidhu. There is Amrinder Singh, and he's going to be contesting the election with the support of the Bharatiya Janata Party as well. And then you have Bhagwant Mann. How does this augur with the electorate, and what resonates better right now?
Well, there's also Sukhbir Badal if you look at that. But, resonate with the electorate right now, if you look at surveys, you look at ground reports, it seems to be a direct contest right now between the has not announced its CM face. Okay, it's indicated maybe because yesterday they had a video which was released which seemed to indicate that it's going to be Channi, but it's not going to be easy.
Correct.
It's okay. Now, what we're seeing is, I just want to tell our viewers, this is Bhagwant Mann family, that's his mother. Right now. This is his mother who's sitting right there. Bhagwant Mann separated, something which is, these are all surround sounds. I remember when I interviewed him 2019 when he was fighting his election from Sangrur. I actually spent the whole day tracking his campaign. And at one point of time in the evening, he'd got very sentimental. And he was telling me that, he's separated from his wife. His wife lives in California. He's got 2 kids. And at that point of time, he says, on the eve of elections, I'm really missing my wife and I'm missing my kids. So there is, and he gave it all up, in terms of that relationship, that personal life is what she told told me, and he told us on camera, it's not something which was off camera. He said that, and he actually had tears in his eyes. And he says, I'm giving it all up, but I have my mother.
Yeah.
And what you just saw right now was Bhagwant Man's mother. But Chaiti, there you have it, Arvind Kejriwal.
Arvind Kejriwal also on your screens at the moment, and that announcement is likely to happen any moment now. Preeti getting us a better perspective on what's going on, and I believe that we've got Kamaljeet also at the venue right there. Kamaljeet, what are you picking up at the moment? Bhagwant Mann all set to be announced. What are your sources indicating? Just looking absolutely clear for the moment that it would be him.
The stage is set. Arvind Kejriwal along with Bhagwant Mann, Harpal Chima, all set to make that particular announcement. But the cat may be out of the bag because the posters indicate, and we've seen an overwhelming response of around 22 lakh people who responded till the January 17th till 5 p.m. But remember, as far as the government is concerned, it has seemed that Congress tried to steal the thunder by releasing the promo of Charanjit Singh Channi yesterday, almost announcing him as the CM candidate. And today we saw a race take place. So Aam Aadmi Party obviously is in a sense competing. But this was Aapka CM and Dial a CM. So they have made it more interactive, getting in responses from the public. Remember, Arvind Kejriwal has ruled himself out. So he has been the face of the Aam Aadmi Party. He is the party patron. But in many sense, they were looking for the Punjab face. Now, many thought it was a given that Bhagwant Mann is the face of the Aam Aadmi Party. But here it is, wearing his traditional yellowish pagri, and there he is sitting there. Now, will this announcement be made, and what sort of a transparency? Because Charanjit Singh Channi yesterday said the maximum number of phone calls which went to Aam Aadmi Party talked about him, that is Channi, as a CM face. So obviously trying to pull the rug from under the Aam Aadmi Party.
All right, so stand by. Countdown has truly begun. Any moment now that announcement is going to come in. And Preeti Chaudhary with me in the studio as well. Preeti, since you cover elections, you can give a better perspective in terms of how a campaign like Kaun Banega Aapka CM kind of a campaign really resonates with the electorate. And rather the question is, to what extent does it resonate?
This is classic Aam Aadmi Party politics. This is something which has been coined by the Aam Aadmi Party, which is, Aapka CM, going back to the people. Like what I'd said earlier, they've done it right from the word go, Chaiti. Every time, when Aam Aadmi Party fought their first election, they wanted the people's mandate. They've kept going, aap sujhav dijiye, aapko kya lagta hai, aapki sarkar kaisi honi chahiye, aapko lagta hai Kejriwal ko wapas aana chahiye. So, I have a feeling that they were quite clear, and the indications were given right at the press conference as well, when Arvind Kejriwal had gone ahead and said that, I want Bhagwant Mann to be the chief minister, but he has told us that, we should take the people's route. It's something that the Aam Aadmi Party does a lot. It's classic Aam Aadmi Party politics. But one thing seems to be clear, that they had made up their mind it's going to be Bhagwant Mann, but they've taken the people's route. Now, will it somewhere down the line, to put the onus on people when you don't want to do it yourself? You should have announced that name. But let's listen in. Arvind Kejriwal taking to the podium.
मंच पे मौजूद पंजाब आम आदमी पार्टी के प्रधान सरदार भगवंत मान जी, लीडर ऑफ ऑपोजिशन हरपाल चीमा जी, हमारे पंजाब के प्रभारी सरदार जरनैल सिंह जी, सह प्रभारी राघव चड्ढा जी, यहाँ पे आए हुए सभी आम आदमी पार्टी के कार्यकर्ता, सभी मीडिया के साथी, और आज मीडिया के ज़रिए पूरे देश भर में और पंजाब के कोने कोने में जो भी लोग ये कार्यक्रम देख रहे हैं, सब लोगों को मेरा नमस्कार, सबको मेरा सत श्री अकाल। आज पंजाब के लिए एक ऐतिहासिक दिन है, कई मायनों में ऐतिहासिक दिन है। पंजाब में आम आदमी पार्टी का सीएम चेहरा कौन होना चाहिए, इसका हर पंजाबी को, हर पंजाब के व्यक्ति को बड़ी बेसब्री से इंतज़ार है। कई महीनों से लोग, मैं जहां भी जाता था एक ही प्रश्न पूछते थे, जी दूल्हा कौन है, आम आदमी पार्टी का सीएम चेहरा कौन है। तो मैं सबको यही कहता था, सब्र रखो, सब्र का फल मीठा होता है। आपको हम ऐसा चेहरा देंगे जिस पे हर पंजाबी को गर्व होगा। तो आज वो घड़ी आ गई है उसका ऐलान करने की। हमने सीएम चेहरा ढूंढने के लिए एक अलग प्रक्रिया की। पंजाब के अंदर हमने देखा कि दूसरी रवायती पार्टियां जो हैं, कोई अपने बेटे को सीएम चेहरा बना देते हैं, कोई अपने बहू को बना देता है, कोई अपने घर के आदमी को बना देता है। भगवंत मान जी मेरे छोटे भाई हैं। मैं अगर खुद भगवंत मान जी का नाम डिक्लेयर कर देता तो कहते हैं केजरीवाल ने अपने भाई को बना दिया, केजरीवाल ने भाई भतीजावाद करा है, जैसे दूसरी पार्टियां करती हैं वैसे केजरीवाल ने करा। तो हमने कहा नहीं, ऐसे नहीं करेंगे। हम पंजाब के 3 करोड़ लोगों से पूछेंगे कि आप बताओ कि पंजाब का सीएम चेहरा कौन होना चाहिए। तो पिछले हफ्ते हम लोगों ने एक फोन नंबर जारी किया और हमने कहा आप कॉलिंग कर सकते हो, आप व्हाट्सएप मैसेज भेज सकते हो, आप एसएमएस भेज सकते हो। तो हमारे पास 21,59,437 में रिस्पॉन्स आया। लगभग 21,59,437 लोगों ने अपने रिस्पॉन्स दिए। तो एक चीज तो सारे सर्वे भी ये दिखा रहे हैं और माहौल भी ये बता रहा है कि आम आदमी पार्टी की सरकार बनने जा रही है। तो जो सीएम चेहरा अब ऐलान होगा वो एक तरह से पंजाब का अगला सीएम बनने जा रहा है। तो पंजाब के लोगों ने अपना अगला सीएम किसे चुना है? ये जो 21,59,000 वोट आए, जो लोगों ने अपने रिस्पॉन्स दिए, उसमें कई लोगों ने मेरा नाम डाल दिया। मैंने शुरू में ही कह दिया था भी मैं रेस में नहीं हूं। तो उन वोट्स को हमने इनवैलिड डिक्लेयर कर दिया। जिसने कहा भाई अरविंद केजरीवाल, उसको हमने साइड कर दिया। उन सारे वोट्स को जो बचे उसमें 93.3% लोगों ने सरदार भगवंत मान का नाम लिया। मैं अपनी बात पूरी 2 मिनट, बस 2 मिनट। 93.3% लोगों ने सरदार भगवंत मान का नाम लिया। दूसरे नंबर पे नवजोत सिंह सिद्धू थे, उनको 3.6% वोट मिले। तो आज आम आदमी पार्टी की तरफ से पंजाब के अगले सीएम और आम आदमी पार्टी का सीएम चेहरा औपचारिक रूप से सरदार भगवंत मान को डिक्लेयर करते हुए मुझे
has been made. Our news break stands to be confirmed. Preeti, we said it that it's going to be Bhagwant Mann. You can see him crying up there on the podium. Quite an expected announcement right there, Preeti.
Well, you're right there, but we don't usually like to do it, but we told you first. India Today was the first channel 10 days ago that said that it would be Bhagwant Mann who's going to be the chief ministerial face for the Aam Aadmi Party, and that's what's happened. Ultimately what swung it for Bhagwant Mann is the fact, Chaiti, for our viewers, is the, with, whoever I've been speaking to in the Aam Aadmi Party, is the loyalty test. Why I say that is that in 2017, he was one of the only MPs that didn't, leave the Aam Aadmi Party and switch over. The other Aam Aadmi Party MLAs, a lot of them, some MPs along, who contested the election with him. If I'm not wrong, about 4 other MPs from the Aam Aadmi Party defected, to the BJP and some to the Congress. He stood that wave. They think he's loyal enough. He's lasted 2014, then he lasted 2019 in a Modi wave. He's proven his loyalty. He stood his ground when things were tough for the Aam Aadmi Party, and he's proven his mettle. He's been loyal. He did not defect when things were bleak, and now's the time to reward him and make him the chief ministerial face. Quite unexpected lines. We told you about 10 days ago that the Aam Aadmi Party is going to look at Bhagwant Mann as their chief ministerial face. He comes from Sangrur. It's a rural belt where Punjab is concerned. He's twice MP from Sangrur constituency. Bhagwant Mann there, Chaiti, breaking down, tears.
Yeah.
And, for him, it has been a long fight. I've interviewed him a couple of times. He might be a comedian. He's a comic. We've seen him how he, holds himself in Parliament. He's taken on the Prime Minister so many times on the floor of the Parliament. One of the very few leaders from the Aam Aadmi Party who's been able to do so. Like I said, he's a comic, but getting really emotional because for him, if one can say, he wasn't also very happy that why his name wasn't announced till now. Why is it that the Aam Aadmi Party was flirting with Sidhu?
But it's quite interesting that the Aam Aadmi Party's preference was Bhagwant Mann, from what I'm picking up from you. And also when they conducted that survey, he turned out to be the winner.
Well, they say that the maximum votes were for Arvind Kejriwal, and understandably so. They fought this election, on Arvind Kejriwal's name, at least till now. The campaign will shift now for Bhagwant a little, but Arvind Kejriwal is the face. Arvind Kejriwal is the party, and Bhagwant Mann is, along with, of course, clearing that loyalty test, not defecting to the BJP when he'd won, when other defected, holding on, in 2014, winning in a Modi wave, his constituency of Sangrur, doing so the same in 2019. Other than all of that, Chaiti, one of the key factors why Bhagwant Mann has been picked today also comes from the fact that, he is close to Arvind Kejriwal and he's not seen as a direct competitor to Arvind Kejriwal.
And why is that so? Why
because
is he
there
not
was,
seen as
there
a direct
was a
competitor?
part of the Aam Aadmi Party when they were flirting with Sidhu and wanting to get him in the party fold. There was a perception that Sidhu is his old man. He can do anything he wants. He's mercurial. He can turn around like that. There was a perception that he's not going to really listen to the center. The center here, whether you like it or not, is going to be Arvind Kejriwal.
Sure.
So Arvind, the CM face might be Bhagwant Mann. And if the party gets elected to power, the CM might be Bhagwant Mann, but the high command will be in Delhi, and that will be Arvind Kejriwal.
And we've seen with Sidhu as well, the too many flip-flops that are coming in as far as even reining it in with the Congress high command too. So probably it's all panned out well for the Aam Aadmi Party with Bhagwant Mann as the chief ministerial face. In terms of, you were mentioning earlier as well about this, Preeti, in terms of the others in the fray, whether it is Shiromani Akali Dal, the captain with BJP, or probably Channi with Congress, vis-a-vis all of them, and now officially we know it is going to be Bhagwant Mann. Where does he stand vis-a-vis them?
Well, where does Bhagwant Mann's, vis-a-vis, because Congress hasn't announced their name, so we don't know whether it is going to be Channi. There's speculation. The fight is direct. It's very clear right now. Amrinder plus BJP is going to be vote cutters. The Shiromani Akali Dal hasn't really come into their own as of now, at least. Right now, the fight is poised to be, it's a battle between the Congress and the Aam Aadmi Party. Well, I just want to also say that we told you this 2 weeks ago, viewers. We told you this 2 weeks ago that it is going to be Bhagwant Mann who will be the chief ministerial face for the Aam Aadmi Party. And at that point of time, there were a lot of speculations which seemed to suggest...
We broke it on 4th of Jan.
Yes, we broke it on the 4th of Jan, which was exactly 2 weeks from now. I thought it was 10 days, but it's 2 weeks from now. We told you, and that is exactly what has happened. Bhagwant Mann breaking down, and I want to come back to it. It's not come easy to him. The Aam Aadmi Party not just looked at Sidhu, they looked at, Rajewal as well at one point of time. Word has it, they were in talks, and of course then Rajewal came out and said that, things didn't go down well. So the fact that Bhagwant Mann wasn't your first choice.
Yeah.
You know, it's not the name that you announced. There you have it. What you see on your television screen, I'm sorry to break that train of thought, is Bhagwant Mann's mother. And like I said, you know, Bhagwant Mann, I interviewed him in 2019, and I remember, which I was telling you earlier, where he's very emotional about his mother. You know, he was talking about how, you know, he got separated from his wife, he missed his wife as well, he missed his family, all of that was on camera. But he said, you know, that at least I have my mother, and that what you see on your television screen is his extended family and his mother there. So with Bhagwant Mann, it's a long journey. You know, he's 2014, he held on to the Sangrur seat. 2019, he held on to the Sangrur seat. These were Modi waves.
Yeah.
You know, 2019, there were other Aam Aadmi Party MPs who won but defected. So for the Aam Aadmi Party, he's cleared that loyalty test. You know, he stood his ground when there was a Modi wave, and when things were bleak, he did not defect. So it's payback in that sense.
And I'm sorry to digress a little bit, but since you said this is going to be a clear contention now between the Congress and the Aam Aadmi Party as well, where does Rajiwal-led Sanyukt Samaj Morcha stand in the middle of this?
Sorry,
where does Rajiwal-led
right, the fact is that they're not even recognized right now by the Bharatiya Kisan Union. You know,
we've seen the biggest farmers' protest
in
the country. So don't you feel that there is somewhere...
It's not that they're not going to have ground support. They will definitely have ground support, but within that faction, which has gone political right now, they don't have the support of you know, the Bharatiya Kisan Union or the Samyukt Kisan Morcha. They don't have the support of the SKM yet, and there's infighting in that as well. So has it, you know, gone down the way they would have liked to? No. You know, in all probabilities, they will get a chunk of the vote. They will be spoilers. They could possibly be kingmakers at the point of time when it comes down, you know, if there is a hung assembly. And many people right now, where things stand, are predicting a hung assembly where Punjab is concerned. They could pretty much come in at that point of time. But right now, the contest clearly is poised between the Congress and the Aam Aadmi Party, at least the way things stand today. That's what it looks like.
Very interesting to note. Let's in fact listen in once more to Arvind Kejriwal as well, making that big announcement.
मैं अगर खुद भगवंत मान जी का नाम डिक्लेयर कर देता तो कहते हैं केजरीवाल ने अपने भाई को बना दिया, केजरीवाल ने भाई भतीजावाद करा है, जैसे दूसरी पार्टियां करती हैं वैसे केजरीवाल ने करा। तो हमने कहा नहीं, ऐसे नहीं करेंगे। तो पंजाब के लोगों ने अपना अगला सीएम किसे चुना है, ये जो 21,59,000 वोट आए, जो लोगों ने अपने रिस्पॉन्स दिए, उसमें कई लोगों ने मेरा नाम डाल दिया। मैंने शुरू में ही कह दिया था भी मैं रेस में नहीं हूँ, तो उन वोट्स को हमने इनवैलिड डिक्लेयर कर दिया। जिसने कहा भाई अरविंद केजरीवाल, उसको हमने साइड कर दिया। उन सारे वोट्स को जो बचे, उसमें 93.3% लोगों ने सरदार भगवंत मान का नाम लिया।
Kamaljeet Sandhu reporting from Mohali is also joining us. Kamaljeet, how many responses have they got via calls and WhatsApps? Because as Kejriwal said, 90% of the respondents chose Bhagwant Mann as the chief ministerial face for the Aam Aadmi Party.
Willis, this is turning out to be more like a game show. Over 22 lakh respondents. Remember, this number was thrown open to 3 crore population of Punjab, but at least 22 lakh people responded. And we've been told by voice messages, by WhatsApp, by voice calls, so several people. And what we've been told is 93.3% is an overwhelming number which has chosen Bhagwant Mann. He's the most prominent face, and we'll see a lot of people who sporting pagdis like how Bhagwant Mann really wears. आप पगड़ी भी वैसी पहन कर आए जैसे भगवंत मान पहनते हैं। ये जो पूरा इंटरैक्टिव शो है उसके बारे में क्या सोचते हैं आज जिस तरह से ऐलान किया गया?
हमारे जो पंजाब के जो लोग हैं इस ऐलान से बहुत खुश हैं, क्योंकि वो बहुत लंबे समय से उड़ीक रहे थे कब हमारे सुप्रीमो अरविंद केजरीवाल जी भगवंत मान जी के नाम पे सीएम फेस के ऊपर मोहर लगाएं। अभी गांव-गांव में शादी जैसा माहौल है, लोग जश्न मना रहे हैं, गांव-गांव में लोग खुशियां।
Elections are a festival of democracy, so let me just try and show you a lot of banners like this, and we've seen all across. Aam Aadmi Party posters which have Kejriwal on one side, Bhagwant Mann on the other side. But significantly, we're talking about stealing the thunder. Charanjit Singh Chani, interestingly, the Chief Minister himself claimed to be one of the most popular in the survey which was done by the Aam Aadmi Party. Today his name was not taken. The number 2 man who's been announced on the list is Navjot Singh Sidhu, which the Aam Aadmi Party serves for 3.6% vote. Remember, this was only as the Aam Aadmi Party face. And remember, Sidhu, there have been speculations, is not really happy with the party high command. There's been a talk about a switchover. That's not happened. That's altogether not happening. But what has happened is a lot of interactive show, and we saw graffiti being used, dhol, bhangra. So they've made it like a festivity. The Aam Aadmi Party has been put ahead of the other parties in terms of the surveys also.
Kamalji.
But that is one bit, because the last time around in 2017, Aam Aadmi Party clearly had an edge and people said they would get 80 to 100 seats. They only managed to get 20. This time they started way earlier before others, around 6 months ago. And this time the candidates, or at least 90% of the list is out. So they do seem to have an edge. But will people put stamp of approval on Bhagwant Mann? That now needs to be seen.
Kamal, just stay with me. I'm coming right back to you in 10 seconds. I just want to tell our viewers on what is being witnessed on the other side of their screen. That is Sangrur. That is where Bhagwant Mann lives, and his entire constituency there coming in to celebrate him being announced as their CM face. A full wall being there announcing where what Arvind Kejriwal just announced when he announced his name, being beamed out to the people in Sangrur. Bhangra, dhols, all of that in play. It is the peasant belt or the rural belt of Punjab. That is where Bhagwant Mann comes from. I want to go back to Kamaljit Sandhu quickly while we continue to show our viewers these visuals. Kamal, the fact is, why was this announcement so short-lived? Why is it that Bhagwant Mann, after being announced as the CM face, come out, address the cadre, address the people who had come in, the other political leaders? Why no address from Bhagwant Mann?
Many said Bhagwant Mann seemed to be an obvious choice, but this seems more like a popular choice. They made it interactive, they wanted a lot of buzz around it, and that's what has been done. And even currently, if we just try and show you the buzz which has been created, this hall is kind of jam-packed, a lot of media persons
Kamal,
around.
where is Bhagwant Mann
there
right
is a
now?
mass violation of
Is he going to address Is he going to address the cadre?
Well, you know what, Preeti, they've done? They've made this of an epic episode of sorts. So Bhagwant Mann is sitting on the stage with Arvind Kejriwal, and his life history is being told in. One after the other, his relatives, his friends are being called in for talking about Bhagwant Mann. So this is not just a half-an-hour announcement where they're talking about it. They're creating buzz around Bhagwant Mann. Now remember, he's been a public face, a comedian much of his life. Then he took a political plunge. He's been the most prominent face of the Aam Aadmi Party. But clearly, there have been others who've been taking pot shots at him. He's been called a drunkard. He's been called a non-serious person. He's been called names. And despite that, consistently, he has emerged as the most prominent face of the Aam Aadmi Party. So a lot of people who have been here, if you want, we can try and get reactions. आपको भगवंत मान के बारे में क्या पसंद है? जिस तरह से अनाउंसमेंट की गई, क्या सोचते हैं?
हम तो शुरू से यही चाहते थे कि वो भगवंत मान हमारे जो सीएम बने, और इतने ईमानदार जो हमारे ये सीएम मिले हैं, तो मैं चाहूंगी कि हमारी सारी पार्टी भी ईमानदारी से ऐसे ही बढ़ती फूलती रहे और आम आदमी पार्टी का
not the CM yet, but the CM face. आप जिस तरह से पहना है, केजरीवाल का आपने बैनर लगाया हुआ है, काफी हमने देखा है, पर जब हम बस करते हैं या बात करते हैं उनके बारे में, काफी लोग बोलते हैं और हमने ओपोनेंट्स को सुना है कि सीरियस नहीं है, एक जो उनसे चुना गया है कि एक शराब की इशू है, काफी चीजें लोग लगातार उनके बारे में बोलते हैं, खासतौर पे ऑपोजिशन पार्टीज. आपको लगता है उनको डेंट करता है ये सब?
देखिए, ये जो बोलते हैं ना कि ये शराबी है, ये उनके ऊपर भी यही बात मैंने रखती है, वो भी यही बात करते हैं. लेकिन जो श्री अरविंद केजरीवाल जी हैं, जो उन्होंने दिल्ली में करके दिखाया, वही वो पंजाब में करेंगे. दिल्ली में अरविंद केजरीवाल जी और भगवंत मान जी.
Is it going to be the Delhi model or is it going to be the Punjab model? Because Navjot Singh Sidhu came with a 13-point Punjab model, after which a 10-point program which was released by Arvind Kejriwal just a week ago. So there is a sense of competition. It's a sense of competition even on Punjabiyat. Who claims to be more Punjabi than the others? Who will do much better? Aam Aadmi Party has never been in power, especially in a state like Punjab. They have been serious contender. And once again, it does seem that they seem to be.
But you know, since we're talking about this, since we're talking, all right, Bhagwant Man's mother speaking live, we go to that and then I come to Preeti for more.
There's a connection. She actually broke down when she was talking on the stage. We're going to play that out again for our viewers. But, you know, and that's Raghav Chadha. He's the in charge of the Aam Aadmi Party where Punjab is concerned. But, you know, Chaiti, to talk about the mother, which I also brought out right in the beginning, you know, there is a huge connect that Bhagwant Mann has with his mother.
Yeah.
You know, especially after his, you know, separation. And it was a separation that he didn't quite want.
Yeah.
He said, I put my lot where politics was. I had my mother. And the mother also breaking down, Bhagwant also breaking down. In 2017, Bhagwant Mann thought he was going to be announced as the CM face, something which the Aam Aadmi Party did not do, 2017.
And what was the reason?
Well, there were multiple reasons, you know, like we just picked up from there, and what Kamal was also telling us. You know, there is word that Bhagwant has a battle with the bottle, which is that, you know, he does drink. Now, how much will that impact his announcement at the chief ministerial face? We don't quite know, you know, whether it will actually impact, because till now, at least it hasn't interfered, you know, with him being an MP. So in 2017, he thought the Aam Aadmi Party is going to announce him as the CM face. They did not do so. They've done it this time around, and you could see that kind of emotion on his face, you know, when he broke down as Arvind Kejriwal went up to hug him.
But what surprises me is that why wouldn't he choose to speak? It's such a momentous occasion.
You know,
for
he
this
is,
man.
I think. Because, you know, what Kamalji just told us, Chaiti, is that each of his family members is being called upon.
Yeah,
and then maybe
first.
after all of that.
All right, he's speaking now. There you go.
नेशनल कन्वीनर एक एंटी करप्शन अंदोलन दे विचों एक पार्टी जिन्हां ने बनाई देश की राजनीति की दशा ते दिशा बदलने लई श्री अरविंद केजरीवाल जी, LOP साहब हरपाल चीमा जी, तिलक नगर तो लगातार तीजी बार विधायक चुने गए, पंजाब के पोलीटिकल अफेयर्स के इंचार्ज जरनैल सिंह जी, रजिंदर नगर तो MLA पंजाब के सह इंचार्ज राघव चड्ढा जी, आम आदमी पार्टी के MLA साहबान, आम आदमी पार्टी के बहुत सारे अहदा दर अहदा वर्कर वलंटियर साहबान, मीडिया के सारे साथी, मेरे माता जी और मेरी छोटी भैन मनप्रीत, सब तो पहला तो मैं सारिਆਂ ਨੂੰ प्यार भरी सत श्री अकाल बोलना। सत श्री अकाल, नमस्कार, नमस्ते, वाहिगुरू जी का खालसा, वाहिगुरू जी की फतेह। अज पंजाब ਲਈ एक बहुत ਵੱਡਾ दिन है, जिस तरह CM साहब ने कहा। बड़ी देर तो ਤੁਹਾਡੇ भी क्वेश्चन उठ रहे सी कि कौन अगे आऊगा, कौन अगे आऊगा। मैं हमेशा ही कहता सी कि मैं तो सिपाही हाँ, मेरी ड्यूटी तो चाहे कंधा ते पोस्टर चिपकाउण दी लाती जावे, मैं पोस्टर चिपका दूंगा, पर बशर्ते कि मेरा पंजाब ठीक कर दो। मेरी ड्यूटी लुधियाने दे किसी चौंक च खड़ के झाड़ू नूं लहराउण दी सारा दिन लाती जावे, मैं वो झाड़ू लहरा दूंगा, बशर्ते कि मेरा पंजाब ठीक कर दो। जदों मैं कॉमेडियन सी, मैं लोकां जांदा सी, लोकी मेरा चेहरा देख के हस पैंदे सी। पहले जिंदगी च एड्डा वड्डा बदलाव मैं सोचा नहीं सी, हुण बिल्कुल रिवर्स हो गया। हुण मैं जदों किते जनसभा च जां किते मीटिंग च जाना, लोकी मेरा चेहरा देख के रोण लग जांदे ने कि सानू बचा लो जी, असीं पट्टे गए जी, साडे बच्चे गलत संगत च पै गए, सिवियां दी अग जिहड़ी है ਉਹਦੀਆਂ ਲਾਟਾਂ ਉੱਚੀਆਂ ਹੋਈ ਜਾਂਦੀਆਂ ਨੇ, ਚੁੱਲ੍ਹੇ ਦੀ ਅੱਗ ਦਾ ਪੱਕਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਪਤਾ ਸ਼ਾਮ ਨੂੰ ਬਲੂਗੀ ਜਾਂ ਨਾ ਬਲੂਗੀ, ਬਾਹਰਲੇ ਮੁਲਕਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਭੱਜ ਰਹੇ ਹਾਂ, ਸਾਨੂੰ ਬਚਾ ਲਓ ਜੀ। ਮੈਂ ਅਕਸਰ ਹੀ ਕਹਿੰਦਾ ਸੀ, ਬਚਾਉਣ ਵਾਲਾ ਪਰਮਾਤਮਾ ਹੈ ਜਾਂ ਬਚਾਉਣ ਵਾਲੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਹੋ, ਪਬਲਿਕ ਲੋਕ, ਅਸੀਂ ਤਾਂ ਜ਼ਰੀਆ ਬਣ ਸਕਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਬਸ। ਅਬਦੁਲ ਕਲਾਮ ਜੀ ਨੇ ਕਿਹਾ ਸੀ ਕਿ ਸੁਪਨੇ ਉਹ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਨੀਂਦ ਚ ਆਉਂਦੇ ਨੇ, ਸੁਪਨੇ ਉਹ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਨੇ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਸੌਣ ਨਹੀਂ ਦਿੰਦੇ। ਪੰਜਾਬ ਨੂੰ ਦੁਬਾਰਾ ਪੰਜਾਬ ਬਣਾਉਣ ਦਾ ਸੁਪਨਾ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਸੌਣ ਨਹੀਂ ਦਿੰਦਾ। ਪੰਜਾਬ ਦੇ ਨੌਜਵਾਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਰੋਜ਼ਗਾਰ ਦੇਣ ਦਾ, ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਹੱਥਾਂ 'ਚੋਂ ਟੀਕੇ ਖੋਹ ਕੇ ਟਿਫਨ ਫੜਾਉਣ ਦਾ ਸੁਪਨਾ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਸੌਣ ਨਹੀਂ ਦਿੰਦਾ। ਪੰਜਾਬ ਦੀ ਖੇਤੀ ਨੂੰ ਲਾਹੇਵੰਦ ਧੰਦਾ ਬਣਾਉਣ ਦਾ ਸੁਪਨਾ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਸੌਣ ਨਹੀਂ ਦਿੰਦਾ। ਪੰਜਾਬ ਦੇ ਵਪਾਰੀ ਨੂੰ ਦੁਬਾਰਾ ਅਮਨ ਸ਼ਾਂਤੀ ਵਾਲਾ ਮਾਹੌਲ ਦੇ ਕੇ ਰੋਜ਼ਗਾਰ ਉਹਦਾ ਵੀ, ਤੇ ਜਿਨ੍ਹਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਰੋਜ਼ਗਾਰ ਪ੍ਰੋਵਾਈਡ ਕਰੂ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਨੌਕਰੀਆਂ ਦਿਵਾਉਣ ਦਾ ਸੁਪਨਾ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਸੌਣ ਨਹੀਂ ਦਿੰਦਾ। ਸਾਰੀ ਆਮ ਆਦਮੀ ਪਾਰਟੀ ਨੂੰ ਇਹ ਟੀਮ ਵਰਕ ਹੈ। ਬਹੁਤ ਵੱਡੀ ਜ਼ਿੰਮੇਵਾਰੀ ਅੱਜ ਮੇਰੇ ਤੇ ਪਾਰਟੀ ਨੇ ਦਿੱਤੀ ਹੈ। ਪਾਰਟੀ ਨੇ ਜ਼ਿੰਮੇਵਾਰੀ ਦਿੱਤੀ, ਪਲੱਸ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਲੱਖਾਂ ਲੋਕਾਂ ਨੇ ਮੇਰੇ ਤੇ ਵਿਸ਼ਵਾਸ ਕੀਤਾ, ਸੋ ਮੇਰੀ ਡਬਲ ਜ਼ਿੰਮੇਵਾਰੀ ਬਣ ਗਈ ਤੇ ਮੈਂ ਡਬਲ ਹੌਸਲੇ ਨਾਲ ਕੰਮ ਕਰੂੰਗਾ। ਜਿੱਥੇ ਵੀ ਪੰਜਾਬ ਵਾਸਤੇ ਲੋੜ ਹੋਈ, ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਹੀ ਅਸੀਂ ਤਾਂ ਸੌਂਦੇ ਨਹੀਂ, ਅਸੀਂ ਤਾਂ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਹੀ ਦਿਨ ਰਾਤ ਇਸੇ ਕੰਮ ਤੇ ਲੱਗੇ ਹੋਏ ਹਾਂ। ਜੇ ਸੱਤਾ ਦਾ, ਜੇ ਹਰੇ ਰੰਗ ਦਾ ਪੈਨ ਪੰਜਾਬ ਨੂੰ ਸੁਧਾਰਨ ਵਾਲਾ, ਲੋਕਾਂ ਦੀਆਂ ਜ਼ਿੰਦਗੀਆਂ 'ਚ ਫਰਕ ਲਿਆਉਣ ਵਾਲਾ, ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦਾ ਜੀਵਨ ਪੱਧਰ ਉੱਤਰਾ ਚੱਕਣ ਵਾਲਾ ਜੇ ਪੈਨ ਸਾਡੇ ਹੱਥ 'ਚ ਆਇਆ ਤਾਂ ਮੈਂ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਯਕੀਨ ਦਿਵਾਉਣਾ, ਅੱਜ ਕਰੋੜਾਂ ਲੋਕ ਦੇਖ ਰਹੇ ਹੋਣਗੇ ਕਿ ਉਹ ਪੈਨ ਹਮੇਸ਼ਾ ਲੋੜਵੰਦਾਂ ਦੇ ਹੱਕ 'ਚ ਚੱਲੂਗਾ, ਗਰੀਬਾਂ ਦੇ ਹੱਕ 'ਚ ਚੱਲੂਗਾ। ਉਹ ਕਿਸੇ ਚੇਲੇ ਚਪਟਿਆਂ ਦੇ ਜਾਂ ਚਮਚਿਆਂ ਦੇ ਹੱਕ 'ਚ ਨਹੀਂ ਚੱਲੂਗਾ, ਉਹ ਲੋਕਾਂ ਦੇ ਹੱਕ 'ਚ ਚੱਲੂਗਾ। ਬਾਕੀ ਹੌਸਲੇ ਨਹੀਂ ਹਾਰਨੇ, ਜੰਗ ਜਿੱਤ ਲੈਣੀ ਆਪਾਂ, ਉਹਦੇ ਵਾਸਤੇ ਮਿਹਨਤ ਕਰਨੀ ਪਊ। ਅਜੇ ਜਿੰਨਾ ਚਿਰ ਰੀਵਨ 'ਚ ਨਹੀਂ ਵੱਜਦੇ ਪਿੱਛੇ ਮੁੜ ਕੇ ਨਹੀਂ ਦੇਖਣਾ। ਸੋ ਪਹਿਲਾ ਸਫ਼ਰ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਆਪਾਂ ਸਰਕਾਰ ਬਣਾਈਏ, ਉਸ ਤੋਂ ਬਾਅਦ ਨਿਰਾਸ਼ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੋਣਾ ਕਿ ਕੀ ਕਰੀਏ, ਐਂ ਹੋ ਗਿਆ ਉਹ ਹੋ ਗਿਆ, ਕੁਝ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੁੰਦਾ। ਪੰਜਾਬ ਬਹੁਤ ਵਾਰੀ ਡਿੱਗਿਆ ਪਰ ਪੰਜਾਬ ਬਹੁਤ ਵਾਰੀ ਉੱਠਿਆ ਵੀ ਹੈ। ਪੰਜਾਬ ਪੈਰਾਂ ਸਿਰ ਖੜਾ ਹੋਣਾ ਜਾਣਦਾ ਹੈ। ਸੁਰਜੀਤ ਪਾਤਰ ਜੀ ਨੇ ਲਿਖਿਆ, ਕੀ ਹੋਇਆ ਜੇ ਪੱਤਝੜ ਆਈ, ਤੂੰ ਅਗਲੀ ਰੁੱਤ ਵਿੱਚ ਯਕੀਨ ਰੱਖੀ, ਮੈਂ ਲੱਭ ਕੇ ਲਿਆਉਣਾ ਕਿਤੋਂ ਕਲਮਾਂ, ਤੂੰ ਫੁੱਲਾਂ ਜੋਗੀ ਜ਼ਮੀਨ ਰੱਖੀ। ਤੁਸੀਂ ਜ਼ਮੀਨ ਰੱਖਿਓ ਫੁੱਲਾਂ ਜੋਗੀ, ਕਲਮੇ ਲੱਭਾਂਗੇ। ਇਸੇ ਪੰਜਾਬ ਦੀ ਧਰਤੀ ਤੇ ਭੰਗੜੇ ਪੈਂਦੇ ਦਿਖਾਵਾਂਗੇ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ, ਇਸੇ ਪੰਜਾਬ ਦੀ ਧਰਤੀ ਤੇ ਗਿੱਧੇ ਪੈਣਗੇ, ਇਸੇ ਪੰਜਾਬ ਦੀ ਧਰਤੀ ਤੇ ਲੋਕ ਖੁਸ਼ ਹੋਣਗੇ। ਜਿੱਥੇ ਹੁਣ ਧਰਨੇ ਨੇ, ਟੈਂਕੀਆਂ ਭਰੀਆਂ ਪਈਆਂ ਨੇ, ਟਾਵਰ ਭਰੇ ਪਏ ਨੇ, ਲੋਕ ਛਾਲਾਂ ਮਾਰੀ ਜਾਂਦੇ, ਜਿਹੜੇ ਨਹਿਰਾਂ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਆਪਣਾ ਬੇਰੁਜ਼ਗਾਰੀ ਤੋਂ ਤੰਗ ਆ ਕੇ। ਅਸੀਂ ਬਾਹਰਲੇ ਮੁਲਕ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਜਹਾਜ਼ ਜਾ ਰਹੇ ਨੇ, ਆਈਲੈਟਸ ਕਰਕੇ ਭੱਜ ਰਿਹਾ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਸਾਡਾ ਯੂਥ, ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਵੀ ਰੋਕਾਂਗੇ। ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਜੇ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੀ ਡਿਗਰੀ ਮੁਤਾਬਕ ਇੱਥੇ ਨੌਕਰੀ ਮਿਲ ਜੇ, ਕਿਹਦਾ ਦਿਲ ਕਰਦਾ ਹੈ 7 ਮੁਲਕਾਂ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਜਾ ਕੇ ਉੱਥੇ ਧੱਕੇ ਖਾਣ ਦਾ। ਸੋ ਪੰਜਾਬ ਨੂੰ ਦੁਬਾਰੇ ਪੰਜਾਬ ਬਣਾਉਣਾ। ਲੰਡਨ, ਕੈਲੀਫੋਰਨੀਆ, ਪੈਰਿਸ ਦੇ ਸੁਪਨੇ ਅਸੀਂ ਬਹੁਤ ਦੇਖ ਚੁੱਕੇ ਹਾਂ। ਸਾਨੂੰ ਸਾਡਾ ਪੰਜਾਬ ਮੋੜ ਦਿਓ। ਮੈਂ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਇਹੀ ਬੇਨਤੀ ਕਰੂੰਗਾ ਕਿ ਮਿਹਨਤ ਕਰਨੀ ਹੈ। ਕੋਈ ਆਪਾਂ ਦੇਖੋ, ਖੁਸ਼ੀ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਹੈ ਨਾ ਉਹ ਉਦੋਂ ਮਨਾਵਾਂਗੇ ਜਦੋਂ ਆਪਾਂ ਪੰਜਾਬ ਨੂੰ ਖੁਸ਼ਹਾਲ ਕਰ ਲਿਆ, ਠੀਕ ਹੈ ਨਾ। ਉਹ ਨੈਲਸਨ ਮੰਡੇਲਾ ਜੀ ਦਾ ਕੋਟ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਜਦੋਂ ਕੌਮ ਨੇ ਕੋਈ ਖੁਸ਼ੀ ਮਨਾਉਣੀ ਹੋਵੇ ਤਾਂ ਆਪ ਪਿੱਛੇ ਹੋ ਜਾਓ, ਕੌਮ ਨੂੰ ਅੱਗੇ ਲਾਓ, ਨੱਚ ਲੈਣ ਦਿਓ, ਲੈਟ them enjoy। ਤੇ ਜਦੋਂ ਕੌਮ ਤੇ ਕੋਈ ਭੀੜ ਪੈ ਜੇ, ਕੋਈ ਦੁੱਖ ਹੋ ਜੇ ਤਾਂ ਆਪ ਮੂਰੇ ਲੱਗੋ ਤੇ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਕਹੋ ਆਓ ਆਪਾਂ ਇਸ ਮੁਸੀਬਤ ਦਾ ਰਲ ਕੇ ਸਾਹਮਣਾ ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ, ਇਕੱਠੇ ਮਿਲ ਕੇ ਮੋਢੇ ਨਾਲ ਮੋਢਾ ਲਾ ਕੇ ਚੱਲਾਂਗੇ ਔਰ ਜਿੱਤ ਹੋਊਗੀ। ਔਰ ਪੰਜਾਬ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਹੈ ਦੁਬਾਰੇ ਪ੍ਰੋਫੈਸਰ ਮੋਹਨ ਸਿੰਘ ਜੀ ਦਾ ਪੰਜਾਬ ਹੋਊਗਾ, ਜਿਨ੍ਹਾਂ ਨੇ ਲਿਖਿਆ ਸੀ ਭਾਰਤ ਹੈ ਵਾਂਗ ਮੁੰਦਰੀ ਵਿੱਚ ਨਗ ਪੰਜਾਬ ਦਾ। ਸੋ ਨਗ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਹੈ ਉਹਦੇ ਬਿਨਾਂ ਮੁੰਦਰੀ ਜੱਚਦੀ ਨਹੀਂ। ਆਪਾਂ ਪੰਜਾਬ ਨੂੰ ਦੁਬਾਰਾ ਨਗ ਬਣਾ ਕੇ ਭਾਰਤ ਦੀ ਮੁੰਦਰੀ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਫਿੱਟ ਕਰਨਾ ਹੈ। ਬਹੁਤ ਬਹੁਤ ਧੰਨਵਾਦ, ਬਹੁਤ ਬਹੁਤ ਮਿਹਰਬਾਨੀ ਮੇਰੇ ਲਈ ਦੁਆਵਾਂ ਕਰਨ ਲਈ, ਮੇਰੇ ਲਈ ਅਰਦਾਸਾਂ ਕਰਨ ਲਈ। ਬਹੁਤ ਬਹੁਤ ਮਿਹਰਬਾਨੀ। ਸਤਿ ਸ਼੍ਰੀ ਅਕਾਲ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ।
So that was Bhagwant Mann his address after being declared as the chief ministerial face for the Aam Aadmi Party. Preeti, would you rather have Kamaljeet encapsulate all that he just said?
We don't have Kamaljeet now, but we're going to try and connect to Kamaljeet. But, you know, with whatever little understanding I have of Punjabi and what he said is, you know, this was a thank you note where he, you know, of course, thanked Arvind Kejriwal. And that's one of the key factors, you know, Chaiti, of the pick of Bhagwant Mann as the CM face. Because if the Aam Aadmi Party was to win this election, and Bhagwant Mann was to be the chief minister, he is still, you know, like I said, the high command would always be Delhi, and it would be a Delhi model working out in Punjab. And Bhagwant Mann is amiable, you know, to that alliance.
Yeah.
And it clearly showed as well with what he just said. So what Bhagwant Mann clearly said, viewers, was he thanked Arvind Kejriwal. Then he talked about Punjab. He talked about how Punjab is going through a tough time right now with the successive governments, you know, of the Congress, then the Shiromani Akali Dal. He did say that, you know, it's weak right now, but Punjab can be resurrected again, and it has over every time. Every time Punjab is down and out, it's come up and stood up and risen like the phoenix, if one can, you know, draw an analogy there. So that is Bhagwant Mann. His task begins now, you know. And the other political parties will also somewhere down the line will have to look at this development and match up.
Absolutely.
An indication yesterday, you know, Chaiti, over to you, an indication was made yesterday by the Congress by releasing that video that possibly it's going to be Channi which will face off as the CM face. But they haven't made that official. And if they make that official, then what happens to Sindhu? You know, because there's enough going on there. There's enough going on there.
That's right. I just want to take a moment to just, Preeti, check with you about how Aam Aadmi Party, let's see how it fared in the last election. It won 20 seats in 2017 with a vote share of 23.8%. And this time around, you're saying that they would have a substantial gain from that vote base?
Well, we don't know whether they'll have a substantial, you know, gain for that vote base. But let's go back to 2017. The Aam Aadmi Party actually thought they were going to form government at that point of time. They were so confident. You know, I remember voting through that election in Punjab as well. The Aam Aadmi Party thought that they had made it. You know, but ultimately, you know, as you know, political analysis is always, you know, it comes in hindsight. But many would suggest that the Aam Aadmi Party peaked before its time. A couple of issues were raised where Aam Aadmi Party feels that it lost out. A sacrilege issue was raised. The Khalistani angle issue was raised, and the Aam Aadmi Party thought that, you know, that was its weak link, and that's where it lost out. Will it gain this time around? Well, you know, the sense that is being picked up is that usually the Aam Aadmi Party has been a peasants' party. It has more rural base. So it's trying very hard to make inroads in the urban belt of Punjab as well. This time around, with now, you know, the farmers' faction coming up with their own outfit, you know, Rajyewal's party will, and, you know, will eat into the peasant base of the Aam Aadmi Party and also the Shiromani Akali Dal. Because, you know, where the farmer base is strongest, which is, you know, the Moga, Mansa, Sangrur belt, is where, you know, the Shiromani Akali Dal has its base, where the Aam Aadmi Party hopes to build its base. Bhagwant Mann comes from Sangrur. I think Kamaljeet is with us.
Yes, Kamaljeet is with us as well. Kamaljeet, you heard out the entire address of Bhagwant Mann. We were waiting for him to speak. He spoke after his family members were done speaking. I want to take this moment first for you to help encapsulate for our viewers his speech and what he said. What are the key takeaways?
Well, this was one reminiscent of a big game show. The way the numbers were announced, the way entire program was done, comparing was done. So we've seen Bhagwant Mann, who's been working throughout for the past 5 years. And remember, he was the sole face of the Aam Aadmi Party, which has consistently stayed on. There have been several people who moved on. Now, we are expecting him to kind of turn up from here. He's expected to leave. His car is just outside. So the media is waiting at the back door. But clearly, as far as Bhagwant Mann is concerned, this is considered a big leap. Now, whether they actually get the numbers, because in 2017, there was the same buzz, perhaps even more. But instead of getting 80 or 100, as people were talking about, they only managed to get 20. And then the party disappeared. So we've seen in the past 6 months or so, Arvind Kejriwal, along with Bhagwant Mann and the other leaders, have consistently worked on the ground. They've gone on to the regions of Malwa, Majha, Doaba. So they're consistently working in places where they actually did not get numbers. And then thereon, we've seen strategizing. So whether they're getting the Sikh faces, whether they're getting all those urban votes which they've been eyeing, they are in a sense in a multi-corner contest. The Aam Aadmi Party was the third party. Otherwise, it has always been a bilateral contest between, a bipolar contest, if I can say so, between the Congress and the Shiromani Akali Dal. And now we've seen Aam Aadmi Party, the Farmers Party, we've seen the BJP in alliance with the PLC as well as the Hinsas Party. So again, it's going to be difficult for the Aam Aadmi Party. Bhagwant Mann, who's firmly placed from Sangrur, has positioned himself in a solid way. But considering that he has an image, and many people said he's a comedian, many people associated his drinking problems, then he vowed in the public that he will not go and drink again. So all this thing has become more of how opponents take pot shots at him. But clearly, for Bhagwant Mann being in the lead phase as far as Aam Aadmi Party is concerned in Punjab is going to be important. This is how the party has put its weight behind them. Many also hinting that perhaps he is going to be remote controlled by Arvind Kejriwal from Delhi. Many saying that's the problem that he had initially with Navjot Singh Sidhu, who would upstage him. But Bhagwant Mann is not one of those. So clearly, people are talking about him. The point is that Aam Aadmi Party comes in Punjab with absolutely no baggage. There are baggage with the Congress Party.
Absolutely. Kamaljeet, hold on with us. We want to come back to you for all the very latest. We were playing out those visuals on your screens as well of all the celebrations after Bhagwant Mann was selected as the chief ministerial face from the Aam Aadmi Party. And Preeti continues to be with us with all the perspective on the upcoming Punjab polls and this important announcement that is coming from the Aam Aadmi Party at the moment. Compelled to take a very short commercial break. Our coverage continues on the other side as well. Stay with us on India Tonight.